Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashish and today I'm going to discuss about Google Ads interface. Okay, understanding Google Ads interface is really important. Why? Because when you know the different areas of Google Ads, what are the different settings of Google Ads, that really helps you to connect different dots inside Google Ads to use all those things in your campaign. Okay, and then making the most out of it. Okay, the benefit is it really increases your conversions or reduces your cost per acquisitions, or let's say cost per lead. That really reduces. Suppose if getting one actual lead like customer, which will bring you a certain monetary value, and for getting that you have invested like $100. Okay, so that will reduce to $50, that will reduce to $70, that will reduce to even $20. Okay, so that can happen only when you optimize your campaign using the different areas in Google Ads. Okay, so let's dive into my laptop screen and see what are the things which we can use inside Google Ads. Okay, so here I am in my Google Ads interface. Okay, so let's go to the overview over here. So this is the complete Google Ads overview. You can see, so you have multiple campaigns over here. Okay, and then you have all the different settings you can see over here, and then this is the overview of what is running. Okay, what's the clicks you are getting, what's the CTR you are getting, what's the cost you are investing. Okay, then what's the cost per click on an average you are getting. Okay, so it varies. Okay, so here is the campaign you can see. So here are different campaigns which you get the details of. So conversion path, what are the conversions you are getting in your let's say campaign which you are running. Okay, so suppose you are running a call campaign, okay, where you need as much call as much possible to get bookings of your, let's say, hotel. Suppose you get 100 calls. Okay, so you get a conversions of 100, for example, so you are getting the result over here. Okay, so let's go down. Yeah, so these are the keywords which is really giving you performances. So you get the overview over here. What are the keywords which is really having a good amount of searches is given over here. Okay, so this is the billing summary over here. Okay, so you can see what are the things you are running over here, the video ads, what are the devices you can see giving you the most performances. So you get divisions of all those things over here. Okay, so here's the gender details you are getting. Okay, the network details, like in from which network, only the Google platform or the Google search partners platforms. What are the things, what are the areas where you're getting the most amount of let's say leads or clicks or impressions or searches, anything, only for your specific ads. Okay, so the thing which I'm showing you over here is the overview of all the campaigns which is on the left sides I have over here. Okay, so these are the days which the dark blue shows the most active hours. Okay, and the day, let's say this is what is showing the dark blue. So this shows that on a Monday from 11 p.m. to 12 a.m. you're getting the highest impression. So that's how it helps. Okay, now let's go to the recommendations. So here what you get is the recommendation for any of the ads which you're running over here. Okay, so if you're running any of the ads over here, they will give you recommendations. Okay, so you need to add these keywords, you need to add these keywords as negative keywords. Okay, you need to increase your bid. Okay, so these are different recommendations which Google Ads helps you giving their recommendations, and I would suggest you not to accept each and every one. It is helpful, but to some extent. Okay, you need to use your own intellect, your own common sense. Okay, and understand whether it's really helpful for you or not. Suppose you're running like $100 per day budget, and they say you like you need to increase your budget from $100 to $200 per day budget. Okay, so that's not possible for you because that's not in your budget. So of course you cannot do that, right? So you need to increase your budget to $110. Okay, so that's the thing which you need to optimize your ads based on what are they recommending. Okay, now next we will jump into campaign. So here you are getting all the campaign details. Okay. So which are the campaigns which you're running. Okay, so let's say enable and pause. Let's go to this. So you can filter out these things. Okay, so these are the campaigns which are enabled, but it's paused right now. When you go to all the things, you get all the campaigns which you have run by past times. Okay, and which you have removed and now it's not running, but still what are the ads, what are the campaigns you have gone through. Okay, so only enable, when you go for only enable, so this shows the only ads which are enabled right now, which means it's actually running right now. Okay, now let's go to the ad groups. Okay, so in ad groups, when you are looking for ad groups on a all campaign level over here, okay, you get ad groups for all the different campaigns which are over here. Okay, so this is not only for the Google ads, only this campaign, but it's for affiliate and other things which I'm running over here. So you get multiple ad groups which you're going through. Okay, so now when you go to the ad sections, okay, so you are getting all the actual ads which are being run over here. Okay, so next we will go to keyword over here. Okay, so in keyword, as I told before, if you want to get more detailed keyword, okay, understanding, then make sure you go to part 5 and part 6 of Google Ads tutorial. Over there I have explained the keyword match type and the negative keyword list, which can really improve your campaign performance. So make sure you watch that. I'll connect that in the I button in my video, so you can just have a look over there. Okay, so let's move to the next area. So settings over here. So I'm discussing all the things in an all campaign level. Okay, so when you're going to the setting, so campaign setting over here shows like what are the things over here, like Google Ads, your different campaigns are here. So you can do all the settings like budget. You can optimize your budget. Okay, so you can do that, prefer your ad rotations. Okay, and then end date and different things you can do, and there are other multiple things you can do that, which I'll explain you in a further tutorials. Okay, so bear with me. So in account settings over here, you can do different things like changing your account name, or whether your account is active or not. Okay, you want to deactivate, or different things over here, which is you will be covering in upcoming tutorial videos. Okay, so locations, what are the locations you will be targeting, what are the locations which you have got the leads from. It's been shown over here for all campaigns. Okay, if I go for only like let's say any of the softwares, like any of the ads which is over here, so they'll show specific the locations details, the data based on only these campaign which is running over here. Okay, let's go to the all campaign again. Okay, and then we will go to the ad schedule. Okay, so what's usually happening over here is you want to improvise your the days, the hours. Okay, you want to have a specific your own requirements. Okay, so you can choose that. Okay, it will really help you. Let's say select a campaign, let's say Google Ads over here. So when do you want to run it? All day, Monday to Friday. Okay, so you want to only do for Wednesday, because you, based on your data which you have gone through, let's say in overview, it's shown over here like the most active day is, yeah, it's over here. So Monday from 11 p.m. to 2 a.m. Okay, so what you do is you go to the ad schedule for that specific Google ad, the campaign. Okay, and then you add Monday. Okay, let's say Monday, and then 11 p.m. to 2 a.m. 11 p.m. to 12 a.m. or whatever it is. So you choose that thing based on your data which you're collecting, and see that what's the most running time, what's the most best time you're getting, and you want to focus on that. Okay, so that helps reduce your cost and make your ads more effective in a particular way, because now you know and you have improvised your ads, right? That's how it helps. Now let's go to areas. Okay, so devices, so we can choose devices over here, so where you want to run your ads on mobile phones, TV, computer. Okay, so these are the things which you can choose over here. Okay, so let's go to experiments. Experiments are basically, when you want to just experiment. Okay, it's like A/B testing kind of thing. Okay, so you have a particular settings and you have done everything in a campaign. Okay, and now you want to do the same thing but with a different ads, okay, different creatives, different budgets or biddings, and you want to try but you don't want it to actually run. Okay, you're in your main campaign and you just want to see, and if that is running, you can just make it, you can just take that into your original campaign and you can just increase your campaign performance. Okay, so let's go to, I think we're done over here. Okay, so let's go to tools and settings. Okay, so everything over here is organized for you. Okay, and don't get confused with this because it's really easy to understand. Let me explain this. So planning when you are looking for the keywords, you go for keyword planners. When you want to see the forecast of how your campaigns will perform based on search different keywords, you can go for performance planners over here. Okay, so you want to see your ads running, you can see ad previews over here. In library, you can shared library, you can use the audience manager. So audience managers are usually used for retargetings and the different remarketing on a different levels. It should really improvise your improves your campaign performance. Okay, then you can add your negative keyword list, you can deal with all the bidding strategies over here. That's all the things you are dealing with in these sections. In bulk actions, what you do is basically you take actions in bulk. Okay, that's how you do. Suppose for example you want to upload some things like any data or particular things. Okay, you have, okay, and then you want to do all the things in your sheets or CSV, excels and anything, and then you upload it and then you want to run it. So that's how everything is done over here. It's a bit of a like advanced level or intermediate level, so you'll come to know in upcoming videos. Okay, so in measurements, what you do is it's basically all the things, all the conversions, all the leads you want to get detail of. Okay, that's what you cover it over here. Now in setups, all you go over here is business data, policy managers, access and security as linked accounts. What are the accounts which are linked in your Google Ads right now? Okay, so that's what you have to you can get details of. In billing, you get the details of your account balances. Okay, and what are the transactions you have been going through, what are the like amount you have gone here and there, and every other detail you get in these sections. Tools and setting. Okay, now let's go to access and security I was talking about. Okay, so in access and security, what you do is when you click over here, okay, and the thing is when you are like, suppose me, I'm the owner of my this account. Okay, and I want to outsource someone, let them handle my ads, my campaign performance. So what I do is I give them the standard access. Okay, suppose if I want to just give them like email them a particular like give them the access to only email me, like what are the details they can show me, like what are the things that it's really important for me to understand or like me to take make changes. Okay, so I will give them the access, and that's the only thing they can do. In billing, they can do all the things related to billing areas. Okay, in read only, they can do all the readings. Suppose it's tick over here, view campaigns and use planning tools. Okay, so they can do view billing performance. In view reports, they can do edit reports, they can do view users, managers and product links, other things. In standard, what you do is you basically do everything, but you just cannot edit users, managers and product links. That's the access to the admin level, which you can give to someone, but most people don't prefer to, but it's really completely your choice. I'm just explaining it over here. Okay, so I think that's pretty much over here. Apart from this, if you want to you are kind of confused like how you want to run your ad, you want to improve your campaign performance, so what you can do is you can just go to this area. Okay, and then click the help button over here. You can just go to get help. Okay, when you go to get help, you will get this sidebar over here, and you can just give them all the details that what help do you need, what are the things you want to, like suppose you want to run the campaign but the campaign is not running, so what help me with this. So you can just complain them or contact them so over here, and they'll just help you out in this. Okay, so it's really important to understand all those things. And I think that's pretty much for it inside Google Ads interface, and it's not that hard. I guess I have just touched each and every areas, and it's just easy, and it's just as important as basically running the ads. Okay, so it's not only just come and create the campaigns and then select the bids and then select the locations and then select the audience and that's it. No, how you can interlink each and every settings, and you can make the most out of it is possible only when you know each and every areas of Google Ads. It's simple, it's not that complicated. Okay, so I think that's pretty much for Google Ads interface. Okay, and if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe button, and share with the person who really need to understand the Google Ads interface, because this is really important. And guys, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe it, because I'm taking really an effort to help you guys understand all the details about Google Ads and give this tutorial to you. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.